Hey YouTube, here's a bike check for the 2013 Fit bf1. So I have done a couple of upgrades on this, and some downgrade. I actually got my seat stolen, so I had to just use a seat from a fake seat and a crappy seat post. So let's first do a bike check. Okay. So it has white ODI long necks. I love these grips. I think they're the best grips you could go with. It has this animal stem. I don't know what it's called, but it was $75. It has animal, I think Tom Whitewall, animal Tom Whitewall tires. But I like them better than the Fit ones that they were. And so it's matte black. Stock Fit cranks, Fit cross sprocket, a half-link chain. I don't know what brand it is. Just a standard Fit hub. Same tire in the bag. They're 2.2. I also had the seat clamp stolen, so I had to put one for the scooter. I think they're either 8.5 in rise or 9. I think they're 8.5 because the Fit Akin ones, the Fit Akin 2 bars were 9" and they were bigger than this. So yeah, that's a quick bike check. I just spotted that a couple minutes ago before making this video. Stock Fit fork. And here's the hub sound. It's actually pretty light. Not as light as the Fit Akin 2, but it's pretty light. So that's it. So that's it. I actually did get these new tires and tubes today. Not tires and grips today. Just the white gets really dirty fast. And so yeah, that's it. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll also be having some more bike checks soon.